How to unprivate your YouTube videos using the YouTube Studio app. This tutorial shows you how to switch a video's visibility from private back to public. First, open the YouTube Studio app on your Android device. From there, tap Content at the bottom of the screen. After that, find the private video you want to make public again. At this point, look for the small locked icon shown below that video in the list. Following this, tap on it. From here, tap the Edit icon at the top right. At this stage, tap Visibility. Following this, select Public from the available options. From here, tap Save to confirm the change. Once saved, that video becomes visible to everyone on YouTube, just like any other public upload. That's how you unprivate your YouTube videos on YouTube Studio. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.